Hello everyone. Today I will be giving you tutorial of how you can clean the screen of your laptop or uh, your LED TV or something LEDs like which people think that it is very fragile. So they think that it will be very difficult for them to clean it. So I will not take a lot of your time. So you just need two things. One this Colin. This is some second copy, third copy of Colin, whatever it is. You need Colin glass cleaner and one cotton ball. That's it. You want. Now let me show you my laptop screen. Okay. Now first let me show you how to do it. You should not spray directly from this bottle to your screen. Just apply it on this. You have to apply it indirectly on your laptop. This is too much. Okay, and drop something. Okay, so it is not that much. Okay, it is fine. It will not harm your laptop or your screen. So this is cotton, so it's fine. Don't get worried about that. Now see the screen of my laptop. I clean it on regular basis, but it have not been cleaned from a long time. So now let me show you. See this same cotton ball. Apply it. Okay, I have very less. Okay, from here. See how much difference it is looking. See, you can see clear difference. Now let me finish it completely. Now see, it has become dirty. See guys, it is not that much problematic. So it is just drying up and it will be totally clean. So you should not be worried about anything. Thank you.